Bank balance in the statement of financial position. The bank statement on 31 August 2029 showed an overdraft of $6,400. On reconciling the bank statement, it was discovered that a check drawn by your company for $640 had not been presented for payment, and that a check for $1,040 from a customer had been dishonored on 30 August 20X9, but that this had not yet been notified to you by the bank. What is the correct bank balance to be shown in the statement of financial position at 31 August 20X9? Answer: balance per bank statement, minus $6,400. Unpresented check, minus $640. Dishonored check affects cash book only, minus $7,040.